Today we're going to be doing a little bit more organizing, and we're taking a trip to Ikea in order to get it done. So we left the boys and we are here at Ikea. We needed to come and grab some organizational things. So a little bit of a backstory here. Over Christmas, we gave Ian a coupon book, and inside of his coupon book, and we do this for the boys every single year. I explained it a little bit more in a different video, but every year we give the boys a coupon book with various things that they can turn in throughout the year. So it's only good for 1 year, and then we give them a new one for Christmas. And one of the things that we told Ian that we would do is get him a really nice desk for his room. And so we bought the butcher block, but we need legs and we need drawers for his table in order to kind of finalize it. So we figured we would come to Ikea and check out the legs and the drawers, but then also look for maybe some organizational items for downstairs for all of my PD stuff, because I'm not loving it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find anything. However, I'm going to cross my fingers and just see if I can find some inspiration to be able to get things a little bit more organized downstairs. So here we are, Ikea, heading in. Hopefully we will find all the things that we need. So these are the ones that we want to get for Ian's desk. I actually really like this color. This is so nice. Are we gonna do the black or are we sticking with white?
I mean, I think you would like the black better.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at the different drawer setups they have. This drawer setup is better, and it's
Oh yeah.
less. That's what we have, I think. We don't need a big bottom jump drawer.
Right. Oh yeah, you're right. This is the one that we need to get.
But they're all called.
Yeah, looking at the inserts. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite thing for the classroom. It's this thing. This is the greatest paper sorter ever. Look at this one. I like the fact that you can add, what are those things? Yeah, that's kind of nice. And the door itself isn't bad. Like go ahead.
Yeah, it's sturdier than most. It's still an insert door, but
I don't like how it slams. These drawers look better, but they're still too small, huh? Like you can't even fit a piece of paper in these drawers. And then they have this. I don't know if I need something like that. I like this one where it's a little bit more split. Maybe I might do that one. You gotta like little pinch it. Yeah, we're doing 4 of the black ones.
so it'll be 2 at each end with the shelves in the middle.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking. All right, so we're leaving with all of the items diagonally because the cart has problems. We got some things that we did not need and that we were not anticipating grabbing, and then we got a couple of items that we absolutely needed to look for. Good trip overall. Yep. Now I'm hungry. I think we're on the other side. There we are, over there. So now we are going to head and grab some lunch and hope that our family members do not contact us about
Come back.
going back to Ikea to get more things, because no one's responded to our text message so far. Okay, let's go eat. Okay, you're loading it. I'll just stand here and watch.
I gotta move stuff in.
I'm gonna just stand and just hold the cart. That's my job. Appetizers.
They had more of this sauce on it last time. The seasoning.
Oh yeah, I do remember that. I already started eating, so I'm not going to show you the other taco that I had, but these are the 2 tacos that I got, plus the one that's already currently in my belly. Hello, Walter. Hello. Oh, no jumping, no jumping. made it back home, and Trent's bringing in all of the things. The food was really good. I had 3 different tacos, and I'm feeling like not overly stuffed, which is nice, but feeling like I had the perfect amount of food overall. Walter babes, what you doing? Uh-oh, you're dropping things. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here. Okay, he's not. He's a little excited. Are you excited? So now what we're going to end up doing is figuring out, one, what do I want to do with the shelf that we ended up purchasing. So we got the legs for Ian's desk, but we can't do anything with that yet because Ian is also contributing by sanding and staining the butcher block that we bought for him. And then we would have to put together the shelves, which that could probably be done another day, right? The shelves themselves for the desk. Yeah, that's going to be done another day. So then it's just figuring out what do I want to do with my shelf that I bought. So I bought the shelf because it matches the other ones that I have downstairs currently for my classroom library that I have. And I also got it because I was like, if that does not end up working out, we can give it to Ian and he can utilize it in some way. So I knew that it wasn't going to go to waste because I started thinking in the car drive, like, what do I want to do with my classroom library? So there might be some changes happening downstairs. Hopefully I'll keep you guys updated if something does end up happening. But for now, we're going to get ourselves, unpacked. And yeah, that's really all I got at the moment. Can't think for some reason. Maybe I need a coffee. So the drawer unit that we got for Ian is the same drawer that I have in my office. And then we bought the legs to be able to attach and stand up the butcher blocks. We got 4 of those. The drawer unit will go right in the middle because it is a very big butcher block that we have. I want to say it's like 6 feet, right?
8 feet.
8 feet, holy moly, it's really big. So this is going to be, the legs will be on either end, and right in the middle is going to be the drawer system. We also got new, what is this called? Rug mat for the bathroom. So we bought 2 of these because the ones that we have are just kind of ratty and they don't look great. So 2 of these for the bathroom. And then we got some pillow inserts because we have to wash these pillows quite often that are on our couch because Walter likes to sit on them. So they have to get washed a lot. And the inserts that are inside of these green ones, they're just falling apart because they're not real insert. Like if I open it up, so here you can see it's not like a real insert. This piece here is, this piece here is like all coming apart. So it's really hard to take these in and out. So we bought some new inserts. Example. For these 2 pillows here. Then we ended up getting some of these. Walter, you're nuts. Oh, that dog and his ball. Then we ended up getting some of these, which are just bags that we could put a lot of our blankets and sheets and things like that inside of. We have a closet, but unfortunately, I think of the way that that closet is built or the wood that's in there, it just smells old. So we don't like putting stuff in there because we have to rewash it. But I figured these would be nice. So if we could put the blankets inside of this, then we could put a couple of dryer sheets just to keep it smelling nice and keep it feeling fresh, and then put them inside of that closet. So we bought a bunch of these as well. That makes up our entire purchase. Get the ball. Get the ball. Where's the ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Okay. I almost think that this pillow has more form to it. than what this does, because this just kind of like falls apart. Mainly because, I mean, the pillow insert is coming apart, but that looks really nice. That does not. So now we have to put this one in. Back off, Walter. Walter, you're so excited. Oh, like, see, I feel like it's, oh my gosh, it's pulling. It's stuck. Okay. Ugh. What is that insert? It's so weird. Okay. In we go. Okay. Fix the corners. Fix the corner. There it goes. Do people still karate chop? Wa-cha! Is that his thing anymore? I don't know. Okay, let's take this upstairs and see what it looks like inside of the bathroom. Oh my gosh, look at that mat. All right, there it is. I like it. I think it looks really nice. And it actually sticks pretty well to the tile. I like it. Looks good. This is a good mat. This was a good buy. So Trin and I are going to end up putting together the shelf a little bit later on, and then trying to figure out how we're going to organize things. As much as I would love to show y'all what that all looks like, that's not going to happen in this video because it is a mess downstairs in that basement. So that's going to require me just sitting and sifting and working through what am I going to end up doing with the mess that we have. So a lot of big thoughts happening of just what am I going to do with a lot of the classroom stuff that I have downstairs. So I am going to go ahead and just leave it here in this video. That way I can enjoy the rest of my Saturday. The little of it that I have left. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little trip with me to Ikea and also to get some yummy food because it was delicious. How many of you want tacos now? It was good. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a brand new video. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.